In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Google Photos. We will walk through the basic editing flow on Android or iPhone so you can tidy up any picture quickly. Open the Google Photos app. When it loads, you will see a grid of your recent photos and videos, usually sorted by date. If backup is turned on, you might see a small cloud icon showing that your images are stored online and will stay in sync between your phone and any other device using the same Google account. Now open the photo you want to edit. Just tap once on the thumbnail. The image will expand to full screen, and the top and bottom of the screen will show simple controls. You can swipe left or right to move between nearby photos if you change your mind about which one to work on. Tap Edit. This is usually at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap it, a new row of editing options appears, often arranged as tabs such as Suggestions, Crop, Adjust, Filters, or Tools. The image stays in the center so you can see every change as you make it, and nothing is applied permanently until you save. Choose the editing tool you want from the options on screen. Let us start with Enhance, Dynamic, or AI Enhance for automatic improvements. These options quickly analyze your photo and tweak things like exposure, contrast, and color. After you tap one, watch how the picture shifts slightly, often brightening faces or adding richer color. A small slider may appear, letting you reduce or increase the strength of the effect, and you can move it slowly to see the before and after. From there, use Crop and Rotate to fix the framing. When you open this tool, you will see handles along the edges of the photo and a grid over the image. Drag the edges to cut out distractions at the sides, or use the Rotate and Straighten controls to correct a tilted horizon. As you move the angle, the grid helps you line up buildings or the horizon so they look level. Next up, try Filters to apply preset looks. You will see a row of small previews, each showing your photo with a different style. Tap through them one by one, and the main image updates each time. Many filters also have a strength slider, so you can keep the effect subtle instead of overpowering the original colors. After that, adjust settings such as brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, warmth, and saturation. Each setting has a slider. Drag right to increase and left to decrease, and watch specific areas respond. Brightness changes the overall light, highlights control the brightest parts, shadows lift or deepen darker areas, warmth shifts between cooler blue and warmer orange tones, and saturation controls how intense the colors look. A helpful tip here, small adjustments on several sliders usually look better than a huge change on just one. With that ready, open tools for features such as Magic Eraser, Portrait Blur, Portrait Light, Unblur, or Ultra HDR. The exact tools you see can vary depending on your phone and app version. Magic Eraser lets you tap or brush over unwanted objects, like a stray person in the background, and it replaces them with nearby details. Portrait Blur and Portrait Light refine depth and lighting around faces. Unblur can sharpen a slightly soft image, and Ultra HDR can reveal more detail in bright and dark areas. When you are finished, tap Save or Save Copy, depending on what appears. Save will keep the changes on this version of the photo, while Save Copy keeps the original and creates a separate edited file. If backup is enabled on your account, the saved edit will upload to Google Photos Online and automatically appear on any other device where you use the same account. You have just learned how to edit a photo in Google Photos using the main tools, from quick fixes to advanced options. If this helped you clean up a picture, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple photo tips.